This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by installing VS Code and getting the essentials ready. First, run the official installer as administrator so extensions and shell integrations install cleanly. Once installed, add core extensions like language support and linters. Make sure they auto-update. Then enable settings sync and sign in with Microsoft or GitHub so your themes, key bindings, and extensions replicate across machines. This saves time, especially when switching between work and home, so you don't recreate your environment manually. Once setup is stable, build a workflow that fits Windows. Open the integrated terminal and pick PowerShell, WSL, or Git Bash. Set your preferred default so commands run predictably. Next, add workspace-level settings like Launch, JSON, and Tasks. JSON to automate builds, tests, and debug configurations. This prevents manual commands. Use multi-root workspaces for related projects, split editors for side-by-side coding, and live share when collaborating so others can join your session without complex setup. This to finish, optimize performance and lock in conventions. Disable extensions you don't use and increase file watcher limits if large repos cause slowdowns. Make sure IntelliSense caches are warm. Next, resolve key binding conflicts and export key bindings. JSON so your shortcuts stay the same. If things break, missing IntelliSense or erratic extensions, clear the extension cache, reset user settings, or restart VS Code with the Disable Extensions flag to isolate the problem. That often reveals the culprit and gets you back to productive work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.